I've traveled over 9,000 kilometers to Berlin, Germany for a vacuum cleaner. When Dreame said they'll fly me over to Berlin for IFA, Germany's biggest tech convention, I thought they were joking. But they actually sent me tickets for me and my cameraman, which happened to be my wife. Say hello! Behind me is the Dreame booth, and today I have 5 super duper important tasks to complete. From splattering sauce and dirt to hunting down the most innovative products and even getting my wife to participate. Look at her, she has no idea. The first task actually comes straight from my Dreame point of contact to learn about products that aren't vacuums, which honestly I didn't even know they had. So let's dive in. Dreame has a pool cleaner, and this can handle both surface water and the pool floor all in one machine. Dreame has lawn mowers. This robot can cover 3,000 square meters, that's about 7 basketball courts worth of grass. I feel like it's taunting me because even if you're rich in Singapore, you probably don't have a lawn. I didn't even know they have hair products. This is the Miracle Pro. Dreame's top hair dryer comes with 4 accessories and comes with a really nice gift box. And last but not least is the home appliances. There are so many products that I am just learning today. They have fridges, ovens, air conditioned, air purifier, air fryer, washing machines, TV, dishwashing, and even smart locks. Most of these products aren't even in the Singapore market yet, but hey, if we make enough noise, maybe they'll bring it in. Task 2. Find the most innovative products in the entire booth. I would say the most creative, innovative, or just interesting product is the Cyber X. To most Singaporeans, you probably don't need this because you don't have staircase and you're poor, like me. This is actually just a modular device. It's separate. So this is the robot vacuum, and the Cyber X is a separate robot, but it's just a prototype for now. Looking at the response, they probably will launch this very, very soon. One thing to know is that although this is modular, this will only work for the future Dreame robot vacuums. Although it's modular, it doesn't work with your previous models. At the moment, there's no official release date for the Cyber X. And now, on to task 3. Discover the ultimate vacuum challenge. The best vacuum to tackle the worst mess that I have ever made with ketchup, hair, and wood chips. Yichen, is it Yichen? Come. So I have a Dreame person, and I have just made a mess. Can you point to me a product that can clean this mess?
I think 15.
Pro Foam Wash.
Pro Foam Wash.
Okay.
Yeah,
I want to touch it.
Press the button.
Okay. One time?
Yeah.
One time. Okay. Let's try. This. Okay, cool. Now what? It did it! Now thinking about it, it's pretty amazing. You can't see it from the white floor, but when you test it on a black surface, you can actually see the soapy foam as it cleans. The H15 Pro Foam Wash is available in Singapore right now. I'll add some links in the description and also embed them in this video so you can check out the current price. Another cool feature is edge cleaning. The vacuum scans the edge, detects dirt, and scoops it up automatically. It also has a tangle cut system. Basically, it's like an electric razor inside, and it chops up tangled hair into smaller pieces and is less maintenance for you. And to top it all off, it has a 100 degrees Celsius self-cleaning and drying system, so every clean starts fresh and hygienic. For my next task, I will find my top pick product. And trust me, I look at every single product before deciding. I have found my personal pick. This is the Matrix 10 Ultra because it solves a very personal problem, which is using the same mop pads for different areas. For example, your bedroom and your kitchen, right? You feel me, right? So this solves it by having 3 different mops. If I'm not wrong, you just set it up. You know, this is the bedroom, this is the kitchen, and it does the rest. Because some of these mop pads are meant for kitchen, for tiles, and some of it, even wood, it will take care of your wood. And you know, depending on the surface, you can change it up, change your mop pads. But I would say this is definitely one of the coolest robot vacuums that I've seen. The Dreame Matrix 10 Ultra is perfect for pet owners. With the 3 more pads and the base station that can support 3 different liquid solutions, there's a standard floor cleaner, a wood care solution, and one designed specifically to tackle pet odor. This has already been launched in Singapore and the links are all below for the updated price. And the last task is actually, what does my wife choose? Hello, Ivy.
Hi.
So what do you pick?
H15 mix. Why?
What?
Because of my long hair.
Oh,
And
so
you can scoop everything in less work for me.
Actually, now that I think about it, I changed my mind. At first, I said the vacuum, but honestly, it's the Dreame Miracle Pro hairdryer. It looks damn nice and it feels really good, and it does cost $499. But then I learned about another product, the Dreame Hair Glim. It's damn chill, and wow, the price surprised me even more. It's only $75. So if you ask me, my personal pick from Dreame has got to be the hair care. I'm already back deep into editing this video, and I must say the whole event really opened up my mind. One thing is I never realized Dreame had such comprehensive product lineup. Like, I thought there were just vacuums in Singapore, but they actually brought on a lot more than I thought. And what I love about going to events like this is that you don't just demo the product and learn about the product, you actually get to know the brand's personality. And for Dreame, what stood out for me is their focus on smart innovations that tackle real problems. For example, the Matrix 10 Ultra that has 3 more pads. One that I have not talked about, which is the Aqua 10 Pro Track that has hot water on the robot itself. And also the H15 lineup, there's one that's heat, there's one that's foam wash, and it caters to different kind of people and their needs. On top of that, their products are generally pretty reliable. I mean, I worked with Dreame 3 years ago for the Dreame L20 Ultra, and I still use it today. In fact, why not? Why not I show you? Come. And there it is, the L20 Ultra. So over the years, I brought this to the office. Then when I left the office for good, this is one of the products that I had to bring back. And the reason why I had this for so long is because I didn't have a reason to change it. But after learning about the Matrix 10 Ultra, I might have changed my mind. Oh, and just a small soft announcement. I'll be moving out from this 1-bedroom rental place to a full HDB flat really soon. And my whole perspective for home and cleaning appliances has changed. And honestly, if my whole ecosystem of my future house is Dreame, I wouldn't be sad. I'll be damn happy. And just to be clear, they didn't pay me to say that. I'm genuinely impressed. Oh, one thing I didn't talk about is like the apps. So I've been using it for 3 years. So far, no problem. The thing about apps is not just the functions, but the reliability, and so far, no problems. And with that said, thank you Dreame for inviting me over to IFA for their Dreame booth. And if you have any questions or you want me to feature certain products, because I definitely left a lot of details out, the specific ones. Like, do you know the H15, you can lay it flat and use a remote so that you can go underneath sofas? But yeah, if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below. Feel free, and do subscribe. I know a lot of people that doesn't subscribe. At least 80% of you are not subscribed. So you're watching, subscribe, really helps out, and I am done.